Let's move on. Former Public Service Cabinet Secretary Justin Muturi has revealed that he was instructed to hand over the ministry to Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi just 2 days after being dismissed by President William Ruto.
Speaking during the handover ceremony, Mudavadi emphasized the government's push for legislation on the assumption of office of the president and the transition of executive authority bill to ensure smooth governance transitions.
Serving for 7 months and 15 days as Public Service Cabinet Secretary, Justin Muturi officially handed over the ministry to Prime CS Musalia Mudavadi on an interim basis, pending the parliamentary approval of Mbeere MP Geoffrey Ruku. Muturi disclosed that he was asked to transfer responsibilities last Friday, but faced delays due to the short notice.
I wish to say that a letter dated 26th of March got to me on Friday afternoon, indicating that I do hand over the functions of the ministry to His Excellency Musalia Mudavadi, who was a PCS, on that same Friday. Unfortunately, as would be expected, nobody had prepared any handover notes.
On his part, Prime CS Musalia Mudavadi stressed the importance of a structured transition process, reiterating that the government is actively advocating for legislative frameworks to facilitate smooth transfers of executive powers.
It also indicated critical pieces of legislation that ought to be undertaken in furtherance of streamlining the whole space around public service.
Following last week's cabinet reshuffle, Muturi was removed from office and replaced with a sitting MP. President Ruto justified the decision, citing Muturi's alleged absenteeism from work.
Nikampatia kazi ya waziri. Lakini hata wewe unajua. Sasa hapo katikati akagoma kuja katika baraza la mawaziri. Sasa mimi nataka nikuulize wewe, ni mimi nimemfuta kazi ama ni yeye alijivuta?
Mudavadi will now hold the reins of the ministry until Ruku is vetted and approved by Parliament. Winfrey Owino, KTN.
Moving on, Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja has revealed that he is in